Shalum, trusting daughter of the one true King. Breathe deeply. Today, we align our will with the perfect will of Yahuwah. Our Amunah is not just a belief, but a life of active surrender and unwavering trust in His plans, releasing our need for control into His capable hands. Speak each affirmation clearly, from a place of resolve and shalom-filled submission, daily for 21 days to fortify your Ruah and walk in covenant trust. 1. My Amunah is proven by my surrender. I trust Yahuwah's heart even when I cannot see His hand. 2. I choose to release my need for control and surrender every area of my life to Yahuwah's sovereignty. 3. To love Yahuwah is to trust His commands. My surrender is the fruit of my love for Him. 4. I walk in the good works Yahuwah prepared for me, fulfilling my purpose through joyful surrender. 5. My surrender is not a loss, but the path to true freedom, barakah, and shalom. 6. I trust that Yahuwah's plans for me are for good and not for evil, to give me a future and a hope. 7. I guard my heart from anxiety by surrendering my cares to Yahuwah, for He cares for me deeply. 8. I will not lean on my own understanding. In all my ways I acknowledge Him, and He directs my path. 9. Through consistent surrender, I build a legacy of Amunah that will Barak the generations after me. 10. My life is a living sacrifice, Qadash and true, which is my reasonable act of worship. 'Breathe deeply. Now speak these truths daily and continue to walk the narrow path. Overcome the enemy's deception with immediate surrender, day after day. Shalum, Yasharal, Barak YAHUAH.